Our story today is called Animals on Board by Stuart Murphy and illustrated by R.W. Alley. My truck chugs slowly down the road, carrying a special load. I'm the driver. My name is Jill. I make sure that my load won't spill. A big green truck goes roaring past with 3 fierce tigers. Count them fast. Can you count the tigers? 1, 2, 3. Don't look now. Here come 2 more. Add them up and they might roar. So we have 3 plus 2 equals how many tigers? Can you count all of the tigers to find the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 6 white swans are passing by. They have wings, but they don't fly. Can you count the 6 white swans? Look out now, here comes another. Maybe it's their little brother. So now we have 6 swans plus 1 swan. How many swans do we have all together? 7. What's this funny thing I see? 4 green frogs are passing me. 1, 2, 3, 4. My truck keeps moving. It doesn't stop. 4 more frogs pass. Hip hop, hip hop. Now we have 4 frogs plus 4 more frogs, which equals 8 frogs. One more truck is passing now. 7 prancing horses. Wow! I see 7 horses. Then another truck I see. This one holds another 3. Now we have 7 horses plus 3 horses. Can you count the horses to find the answer? 7 plus 3 equals 10. The next truck holds a splendid sight. 9 plump pandas, black and white. There are 9 pandas. A red truck passes me with care. What's in the back? Nothing's there. 9 pandas plus 0 equals 9. But on the front's a special sign. Time for me to get in line. They are going to the park. At last, I've reached my final stop. My truck held the tippy top. So now that all our work is done, it's finally time to have some fun. It looks like they're gonna have a circus. Can you find 5 tigers, 7 swans, 8 frogs, 10 horses, and 9 pandas?